Good evening, everyone. I thought this would be a good night to show you a couple of ideas on how the Chopin Winter Wind Etude is constructed, because here in Ottawa it's supposed to go down to -40 to -43 wind chill tonight, and if it goes that cold, it'll be the coldest night in Ottawa in 23 years. So anyway, Chopin plays the melody down here in the left. And so on. And it's a powerful piece because he uses chromatic scale coming down, descending, to give the power, the feeling of the wind. But in between every note of the chromatic scale, he's putting in a note of the A minor triad in that first line. So it becomes broken into, if you play the second, fourth, sixth notes of the scale coming, descending, it becomes, sorry. Like that. So when you put it together, it's that kind of thing. But then the melody is this. So then I can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. But it gives you the idea of the wind and the power of the piece, and it's a very exciting piece to learn. So, but you can do uneven practice on that in the right, all hands, like using all the notes in sequence. So it would be like this. You'd go. So duple sitting on the first note. Da, 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 da. Because you're trying to build up the strength of the weakest side of your hand where that chromatic scale is running down. And then take triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then one skip a note and then do a triplet. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So that was what I just did. Now it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2. And so on, and then straight 3 to the third note, da 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 da. But you see, I'm combining the with the. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So if you practice it like that, and then if you take too long, too short, and then you take too short, too long. And then you take 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you take 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I wasn't reading it, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And then you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Then when you put it evenly, try to still bring out that chromatic scale. It's just that it's every second note. It'll come back, you know, it'll eventually come back, just doing a lot of practice like that. And then go very slowly, hands together. And try and bring out the chromatic scale. So that you're saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. In there. Now, if I had been practicing that hands together, doing all my uneven practice, then my hands would be coordinated, that I wouldn't have that stumbling like that. But it's a powerful piece, and it's really well, especially the drama that it gets when it starts so quietly and slowly. Like they put a metronome of 46 for a quarter, and so that's way down. Like that's, so it's. And with a pause on that. This is even softer. This is pianissimo. With pauses on those. And then you get, and the wind starts. So there's several pages of that. They all change. So it's a real tour de force to learn that piece. But it's fun to practice. It really is. Because each time you get it stronger because of doing uneven practice, the fingers just play by themselves, and then you can get into the rhythm of it and feel the power of the, because it's, the time signature is 4/4 time, but it's written with a metronome of 58 for the half. So the half is a half a bar. You can imagine if there's 12 notes in each half bar, how fast that has to go. And so if I put this at 58, you'll see what I mean. So that's half a bar, so that's. This is all coming, it just, it goes like the wind. So it's a fun piece to work on, and it'll give you a real challenge if you take that one on. Anyway, I just thought I'd throw that in on such a cold evening as this. Have a good night. Stay warm. Bye-bye.